A Donald Duck themed birthday party for a little one turning 2. Using one custom image, you can create an entire party setup. Cupcake toppers, Jello spoon toppers, treat bags, centerpieces, snack bowls, and even a cake topper. Everything starts with one simple design. Choose a cute photo of the birthday child and remove the background, keeping just the face. Blend the face into a Donald Duck style character, then create a Disney style name logo with the birthday message. Oh, 2 Dells Olivers too. Once the design is finished, print the images in 3 different sizes. Start with cupcake toppers. Use the smallest printed images and cut them out, leaving a small white border. Attach them to wooden cocktail sticks with a glue gun. Place mini lemon cakes on a serving plate. And add the Donald Duck and name logo toppers. Simple cupcakes instantly look custom made. Next are the Jello spoon toppers. Cut the images again with the white border. Glue them onto mini wooden dessert spoons. Prepare blue and yellow Jello to match the Donald Duck colors. Add marshmallows and jelly candy on top. Then place the spoon toppers right into the cups. Adding both the character and the name logo makes everything feel fuller and more festive. And colorful Jello cups are always a favorite with kids. Next, make the treat bags. Use the medium-size image for this one. Cut it out with a white border and glue it onto blue cardstock. Trace the size of the candy dome and cut the cardstock into a circle. Add double-sided tape around the candy dome edge. Fill it with sweets like M&Ms, banana jelly, milk bottle jelly, and Maltesers. Attach the image to the back of the dome. And the treat bag is done. Now for the centerpiece. Since it sits in the middle of the table, it should be visible from a distance. Cut out the Donald Duck and name logo images. Attach them to wooden popsicle sticks. Fill a medium glass jar with M&Ms and Maltesers. Decorate the jar with blue and yellow ribbon. Place the balloons into balloon holders and tie ribbon around them. Then place the Donald Duck topper, name logo, and mini balloons together. A simple jar turns into a custom centerpiece. For the snack table, decorate a popcorn box. Use the same image size as the centerpiece. Cut out the Donald Duck image and attach it to a wooden popsicle stick. Attach the Donald Duck image to the back. Place the name logo on the front of the clear box. Fill the box with salted popcorn and caramel popcorn. Add a mini balloon on top. A plain snack box suddenly becomes a fun party decoration. Finally, the cake topper. Cut out the images with a white border. Attach them to paper straws using a glue gun. Use a simple caramel cake from the supermarket. Wrap the base with a small ribbon decoration. Place the Donald Duck and name logo toppers in front. Add the mini balloon topper in the back. A simple cake instantly becomes a custom party cake. One custom image can turn into an entire birthday party setup. Using the child's photo and age makes the decorations feel extra special. Guests always love seeing the birthday child as part of the theme. If there's a theme you'd like to see next, leave it in the comments.